澳洲欠动物医生，即马伫咧澳洲南部有一间动物病院，开始向欧洲各国招外籍的人才来做短期的动物医生，希望会当暂时解决人力无够的问题。
中口啊，抱起诊疗台，为爱尔兰来兽医坎贝尔跨海到南澳小镇贝利，将旅行甲工作结合，是坎贝尔心内上好的工作模式。澳洲的兽医体系因为工作量大，无法度应对，造成爱长时间工作，互真侪人被砍伫选择离职。这正做过澳洲欠真侪人。
I think across Australia you can definitely see the shortage and the pressure that all the vets are under. And I was just really interested to combine that travel and then also be able to work in a different kind of environment for veterinary and learn different things as well.
目前澳洲各地区有将近一半兽医工作爱1年以上时间才有机会补满，到2011年敢若补助30%，互各地动物病院用要规年拢会请人。伫南澳贝利的动物病院，面对国内无法度补助人力之下，决定请国外的兽医人才，用短期请人的方式，暂时用填补人力无够的问题。
Unfortunately, becoming a bit of a norm for them to work, 14, 15, 16 hours, which just isn't sustainable for anyone in any job. To be honest, I can't remember a time where we haven't had job adverts up, whether that be for vets or for nursing staff.
根据上新统计数据显示，短期外籍兽医人数目前只占澳洲兽医劳动力5%。虽然协助减轻工作量，不过这种解决方案也可能治标无治本。有关爱靠政府提出改善劳动条件的政策，才能确实解决问题。公司新闻，陈世东报道。